I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what you sell, specific remote skills and tools you use. Make a focused one-page resume and a brief portfolio. This is what recruiters scan first. Once done, optimize your LinkedIn headline and summary to mention remote work and time zones. Make sure to include concrete tools and outcomes. Then create a clean professional email and standard cover paragraph you can reuse. These first steps get you noticed and make later outreach efficient and consistent. You now move from setup to targeted action. Pick 8-12 companies and specific roles that match your skills, then track each in a simple spreadsheet. For every application, write a short tailored message that names the company problem, shows a quantifiable result you achieved, and ends with one clear ask. Once done, apply through the company site, niche remote boards, and reach out to employees for referrals. Make follow-up systematic, 2 polite touches over 2 weeks, so opportunities don't slip. You finish by preparing for remote interviews and closing offers. Rehearse concise stories about impact, test camera and mic, and simulate time zone scheduling. During interviews, ask about async communication, expectations, and success metrics. Then clarify pay, taxes, and contractor versus employee status before agreeing. If response is slow or offers don't come, pivot, update your resume, ask hiring managers for feedback, widen your company list, and try a different outreach message. That troubleshooting keeps momentum and sharpens results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.